What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. We do have Bossco Mitchell in the house.
What's good, YouTube?
Yeah, we are hitting up a bunch of spots today.
Yeah, 4th of July weekend, right?
Yeah, 4th of July weekend. We both got our USA stuff on.
Something like that, you know.
Pretty dope. Let's go check out this Nike outlet, and then we'll also see what Bossco thinks about this spot.
Yeah.
All right, they do have 40% off the back wall, which is dope. Make sure you guys follow Bossco's channel. I'm gonna do some giveaways and stuff, or he's gonna do giveaways, and I'm gonna do giveaways. We're gonna do giveaways on his channel because he's helped me out a lot in the past. All right, let's go see what's up here, man. 40% off? What? What kinds of LeBrons for 40% off? Wow. Bunch of size 10s. This is definitely the cheapest we've seen these. This is the colorway that Bossco hates. But yeah, this is $2. Man, that drops that down to $120. Really? Got some Nike by You. I've been finding all kinds of dope Nike by Yous lately. $110 for these. Kind of like a faux snakeskin on the midsole. Okay, that is pretty interesting. Air Max 95s going for $140. Jordan 37s, $165. Vapor Max going for $180. Jordan 1 Low, $110. Then you get that 40 off right there. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, $75. These definitely not pennies. Air Max 95, more Nike by Yous by James, $130. Yeah, I'm good on that colorway. Do got some Zoom Generations, $190 for these. This is mostly suede and nubuck. It looks like suede side panel, nubuck. Front right there. These is going for $190, size 9.5. Dunk lows right here. Got Dunk lows. Oh, this is the fish one. Dang, to be able to get these for 40 off, that is fire. $110 for those. Wow, and then 40 off on top. Is this another Dunk right here? No, this is something different. Gamma Force, these ain't bad. Got that old school look. These ain't bad at all. Okay, what's the price? 8.5, go for $70. Size 8 Vomeros right here. The OG Vomeros. These are the throwbacks. What are they on the 19s or something? I don't know, 20s? I don't know. But yeah, Vomero 5s right here. Retail though. But retail includes 40% off, so you know everything's a good deal right now. Penny 2s going for retail. Got some LeBron 2s right here going for $150, 40 off. That's cheaper than what I got mine for. Yeah, that's a good price. Jordan 1 Lows right here. Going for retail minus 40. All right, checking out the bigger sizes. We just start with the 10s, going up to the 10.5s right here. Do got these Forces right here. Those going for $110. Got Fly E's, Jordan 1 Highs right here, $120. 10.5 right here. If this was another colorway, I'd probably think about it. Got Bossco trying on some pennies. I've never even seen that colorway.
Yeah, I only seen it online. First time seeing it in person.
Okay.
They come to where they feel like pennies, but they still full retail. So
is the leather kind of like whatever? Is it? I don't know.
Upper as opposed to the nubuck.
He's wearing the Orlando ones. That's the OG one right there. Did you get those this time around? Or did you get them? You did get them this time around? Okay. But all right.
Not a bad penny though.
I mean, if you want to take it.
Nah, this is size 9 thing. Got Jordan Adapts right here. They just got this returned. Dude, if this was my size, I would definitely think about it, but it's a size 9. It's a size 9. Those are fine. I know. But yeah, if it was my size, it's a size 9 though. Yeah, those were $5. Like, nah, I'm good. Especially if it was my size, maybe, especially with 40% off, but $5. Yeah, I'm good. That was nice of him to show us. All right, back to the sneakers. Hashwall Air Max 95s. Going for $160. One of these right here. What's this right here? Oh, it's just the Pegasus. Pegasus Nike by You, $160. Size 11 Vapor Max Flying It 2021. Go for $130. 40% off on top. Holy cow. Dang, seen so many deals. Man, lately I've had so many bills lately, to be honest. That's why I haven't been buying too much. $160 for these. 11.5. Got the Flight 95s going for $130. Jordan 2s. This is the Mason, Mason Chateau. Jordan 2s right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. Damn, what size is this? Oh, 11.5. Okay. That's 11.5. That's too big. That's too big. Size 12s. Yeah, $160 next gen. So that brings this under $100. Under $100. Not bad. Look at these Air Force Ones. These are size 12. I don't think I've seen this one in person. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it's like a championship belt on it or something. That's interesting. $130 for those. Trainers down to 100. So $40, $60 after the savings.
Now something.
Just brought this. Just brought this out. I'm not gonna grab these. You can look at. No, I'm just looking at them. Look at this. Oh really? Okay. Damn, 40% off. Holy shit! I'm not even a size 10.5, but damn. And then bringing out some more J's right here. Damn, dude, these are fire, dude. They're bringing out a bunch of dope stuff. Look at that, dude. Look at that, man. I definitely can't mess with these. This is too big. I'm gonna have to try these on. I don't think an 11 will fit. I think 5s are slightly loose on me, but I'm gonna have to try, dude. For 40% off? Shoot. I'm thinking about them. They're slightly big, but they're good enough. To be honest, they're good enough. These have a lot of padding on them. I sometimes I think I get size 10s. I think I get size 10s. So these are full size big, but these fit okay though. Damn, I'm gonna have to think about it. Damn, dude. Damn, let's think about it. All right, I'm gonna have to think about it. I'm gonna carry it around for a bit. Damn. The workers just brought this one out too. Size 11.5. Jordan 1 high white cements. Okay, okay.
Personal if you want, 10.5.
Worker was just about to put this on shelf. Look, 10.5. 2 bills for these. Penny 2s. These are the penny 2s. Social status, huh? Yeah, I did see those. Yeah. Man. Social status collab. Do I get those or do I get these? Or do I get these instead? What y'all think? These or these? One's a half size big, one fits perfectly. Dang, dude. I'm doing a comparison. Dang, this one still got the full box and everything. I'm gonna have to grab one of these. I don't know which yet. Did I miss these right here? Look. Oh my god, these are $140. That brings these. Oh my god, I can't buy all these. I want this one too. I freaking love the Airmore Tempo. This is like one of my favorite silhouettes. I think if I'm patient though, I think I'll be able to find that one later. Size 12. These are down to $100. $100, so $60. Are you effing serious? I got size 13 right here as well. And then even got these right here for 40% off. This is size 13. So the undefeated. Be able to get this for 40 off. Holy cow. This is an insane trip. I don't know what you guys think. This is just crazy. They got these in size 14 as well. Be able to get that for $60, really? Got these right here. These are on sale in the aisles as well. Let's go check out the aisles, man. This is size 15 right here. Oh, fly traps. Fly traps down to $40. That's a size 12. Oh my goodness. All right, let's check out the aisles, man. We've seen so much crazy stuff here so far. I think we're close to getting back to the heydays when Nike outlets got all kinds of fire stuff. Man, just before the pandemic, it wasn't that long ago. 2018, 2019. Both of these are Jordan 1 Golf right here. So yeah, these are going for what, $100 or something? And you also got that colorway under $100. Then got a couple more Jordans. Man, that one from afar looked like the Concord Red Lows. Got the Dub Zeros. 2 trays. Yeah, these look like the Concord Red Lows or playoffs or something from far. Got Soldier 14s. Jordan Flight Origin 4s. Cosmic Unities. Jordan Why Not 0.6. Got a couple alley-oops. Oh wait, this is an alley-oop. This is a SB Force 58. Blazer mids. Premium version right here. And Jordan Access. Then you get another 40 off. Holy cow. Got Air Force Ones. That last one's a weird material. Okay, all black with gum. Black and white. Black. Sail Mitchell. All black right here. And a mid wheat looking colorway. We've been seeing these hydros at a lot of spots. Jordan 12 Low Golf. Another one of those. Zoom Freak 4s going down in price. Immortalities. Another one of those. Last colorway right here. Then LeBron 9 lows. Going for this cheap. Holy cow. They only have size 7 though. Man. Witness 6s. Got a trio of these. Last one right here. Now this is definitely the cheapest we've ever seen these soldiers. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Terra Escape Air Max 97s. Air Max 90s. 2017s. Another one right here. Jordan 1 High Flyees. Barely got any sizes, only the bigger sizes. 10.5 to 13. Jordan 1 Mids. Jordan 1 Retro News or New Retros. Air Force 1 Mid Quick Strike. Air Flight 89s. Alright, I feel like lately I've been forever looking for shoes for my kiddo. Gonna check the women's section, see if there's anything his size. They have some interesting pieces, dude. Got Jordan 1 Elevate for women, Jordan 1 High Elevate, one was that 145? Yeah, 145. Dunk High Ups right here, going for 100. Craft, Jordan 1 Craft, size 11, $150. Trying to look around and show you guys all the stuff, but look around as well. Air Max 97s, size 11.5, 175. What's this Vapor Max going for? Vapor Max been hella cheap, $120, 40 off on top. Holy cow. Oh, this one is down to $95. Okay. Dang. Size 10.5. Air Max 90 Futuras. Never seen that colorway. Dang, man. We're seeing these again. Man, if they had this my size, I would so pick these up. God dang it. I love this one, dude. This Cortez, all black, nubuck, and suede. This is the most fire Cortez I've seen. Man, if they had my size, of course I would grab these, but they don't. They don't. Especially 40% off, really? I did check the Nike app, see if they had any other sizes. No. Air Max 90 Futuras. Oh, this part looks different on the Futuras. That's what looks different. Okay. These are all size 9s. Size 8s. $275 for these bad boys. The Alpha Fly Next Percent. Air Max 90 going for 130. 130 for these as well. These are all size 8s. Trying to find heat in the more common sizes than the women's. Not really finding much. 8.5. $170 for these. What, GT Jump 2s? GT Cut 2s, my bad. Alright, let's check out the women's aisles. Do got some what are these? The Comforts. Do got Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. Air Max 270s. Got a couple of them. Got Pegasus 38s. Got a bunch of them. 39s right here. Another 38. Just a few running things. Yeah, not really too much in the women's. Men's section is just insane. This is grade school Air Force Ones right here in the women's section. I haven't checked in with Bossco in a while. What's up? What you getting, dog? What you getting?
See if I got gift cards, so if I got enough gift cards, I'm gonna snatch up this Kawhi.
$77 and 40 off on top?
Yeah, so it's like
dang. Okay.
cards, I'm gonna go ahead
Hell yeah, that's hella cheap. That brings it down to what? 42? God dang, $42 for a jersey, Clippers jersey?
already, so we good. You know what I mean?
All right, Bossco beat me to the apparel section. Ooh, look at this. This is fire. USA soccer team, men's national soccer team, $60 for those. All right, y'all saw I was wearing the Airmore Up Tempo slides. Got them in a size 12, slightly big for me, but I got them for almost 50% off, so I was good with that. And then it is 4th of July, so I did go with USA men's national soccer team jersey. Got some cargo pants that I got at Nike for what, 15 bucks. Jersey I grabbed for what, $32 or something. But solid deals, man. Budget outfit for sure. Definitely a budget outfit, but premium stuff I was able to find for cheap. Dude, is this another pair of cargo? Oh, this is Jordan 1. What the hell? I've never seen this before. Is this for golf or something? What is this for? This ain't bad. It's a medium, which I probably could fit, but $80, definitely not fitting that for $80. Even 40% off, that's still what, 50 something bucks. Like I said, $48. Still a little more than I want to spend. Got football pants right there. That's a corduroy jacket? Corduroy jacket? I've never seen a corduroy jacket. The hell is this? $120? Nike corduroy jacket? I've never seen that. Medium and large. I just love seeing stuff that I've never seen. This is fire. That's fire though. Therma sweats right here. That's usually premium stuff. $30 and you get 40 off on top. That is a double XL though. Got a sweatshirt right here going for $80 down to $80. Fleece jacket, medium tall, $45. All right, that's pretty much about it. All right, let's yeah, I need to make a decision on this now. Dang, I'm going through the rest of the store. Look at this. Look at this, size 8. I love the fact that they give you the box top, man. I freaking love this location, dude. All right, decision has been made. I'm grabbing these, man. I'm grabbing these. Oh, man, I'm spending way too much. Just finding too much heat. Just way too cheap. I'm gonna grab these. All right, I did grab these, and they got these in the front, man. If these were my size, man. All right, let's go. We're out. So Bossco, you got the jersey. How much did that jersey cost?
About $41, bro.
$41 normal.
$110.
$110 down to 41. Holy cow!
I thought I had a Clipper jersey on. I had on, but I have.
Yeah, I was like, why you pointing at the Brooklyn?
I
was like, why you?
I had a Clipper hat that I thought was worth with the Brooklyn hat. But yeah, I do have something to match with this. It could go with my outfit now, but we good today.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, this outlet was definitely on fire, especially since it's the holiday weekend. 40% off. Most places are doing 30 right now, so that's a super steal. And they said the deals is going on until the 12th of next week.
Oh, is that what they said? Okay,
Yeah,
I didn't ask. But yeah, make sure you guys check out Bossco channel. We're gonna have some giveaways. I'm putting in a bunch of stuff because Bossco's helped me with my channel plenty in the past. So I'm making sure that I add plenty to the giveaway. So make sure you guys tune in. Make sure you guys sub to his channel. He's almost at 30K, so make sure you guys help him get to 30K. Then we're gonna do some dope giveaways. But yeah, got these for what, 100 and I think after tax it was $136. So I think it was like what, 120 or something like that for a Jordan 5 Crafts.
Yeah, that's dope.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So we're getting close to when it was when we could find all kinds of Jordans and stuff like that, like before the pandemic, 2017, 2018. We're pretty close to that. That's what's up. All right, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys press that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. The rest of you guys, make sure you guys press that like button, and that's pretty much about it. But this is why we come to the outlets. This is why we come. This is why Bossco has a channel where he goes to the outlets. This is why I have a channel. This is what keeps us addicted. We just saved, just in my last 2 trips, I saved what, a couple $100, like kind of insane. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Got plenty coming. Make sure you guys tune in. Make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel as well, because we're gonna have some fire giveaways. See you guys next one. Peace.